What's up, you guys? So, I was able to do my brakes. I was able to do them. It was honestly, it was a pain in the ass. The hassle and the time and all that to actually like go and do all that, it sucked. It was a real pain. Plus, it's really hot out today. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go wash the bucket. It's a grueling 116 degrees outside today. I said, you know what? I think it's time to wash the car. I'm not even gonna put on the good thing. Hold on. Whoop. The good thing about having my other seatbelt on my with my harness is that with the harness you get the extra protection, but some good old VTEC. Anyways, I don't have VTEC. The reason I have my seatbelt and my harness is, one, when I'm daily driving, this is an essence, or it's an essence. You need it. It's really, really important to have a seatbelt when you're daily driving a car. Because if you daily drive, you daily drive a race car and all that, and you can have the harness and be putting the harness all the time. But when you get in an accident, you don't. I forgot what it's called. You're supposed to get. I know it has to do with the slack. It gives you some kind of slack so your neck doesn't break. Because if usually when you're in a track, usually going to the side, you never hit anything forward. It's always to the side. So when you hit to the side, your body's controlled. It keeps you held it down. But like in a regular collision, when you have the seatbelt, it gives that slack. It gives a slack, it gets you up, saves you from fucking breaking your neck. Versus a harness, when it keeps your chest and the rest of your body held down. So as soon as you go forward, it's only your neck. And that could be really, really bad. I heard a lot of horrible stories of that happening. Even on a racetrack, where they'll get in a really bad accident and their head just goes straight forward and they break their neck and die. Heard other people get injured like that. It happens. It does happen. So when you do have a harness, you do have to be very, very, very careful. Me, I'm already scared just to put my harness on, just because I don't have a cage. I don't have nothing protecting my head. I'm already gonna end up getting some Kevlar Kevlar Bride seats with Lomax, with the rails, and I'm gonna put it a lot lower. Cause right now I only have maybe 1.5 inches. You can see it standing. Even if I'm slouched, I only have that little space to protect me. So if the car flips, I've seen some of these Integras when they get rolled over, and it doesn't look pretty. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna get just the roll cage for the back for stiffer. I mean, yeah, it doesn't really do much, but I mean it does help a little bit. Not really, but it does help. It does help. Percentage, not a lot, but I mean it does help. And I'm just coming here to get some McGuire's tire cleaner shit thing. I don't know. So.
I'll be back.
Back to what I was saying. Yeah, that's the only reason I still do have my my regular my regular seatbelt. Then on a hot day, oh my god, yo, try putting a harness, especially Sparko, just cause like this part right here is metal, and yo, this on your chest is on some other shit. Dirty, bro. Dirty. I gotta get that. I gotta get a bigger sauce. But yeah, that's. I mean, the harness, I do like it for the autocross. The first time I had it for autocross, I didn't have this harness bar. The harness bar there, it's useless. It's useless. Because I mean, it doesn't protect. The only reason you would have a harness bar is it would protect your head. That's the main reason you would have a harness for the track. You know, it'd protect your head. It would keep the seat belt right there. I guess, you know, mainly that's the main purpose for the harness bar, keep the seat belt. But I mean, can I even go? So anybody giving me shit for how I wash my car, you can go eat a dick. Because I do use a brush. Everyone's gonna be, oh my god, you don't use the brush! Oh my god, bro, don't use the brush! Yeah, my paint job sucks. Paint job is shit. This guy keeps checking out my my car. Bro, look ahead. Yeah, look at it. Bitch. Yeah, I'm going, fool. Dirty, bro, dirty. So. And I just got some what is it? Newer. I got some extra glue so I can go ahead and stitch my my damn tires back together, because some of my tire letters is falling off. Or my tire letter, it's fucking falling off. It's coming apart and it's being ridiculous. So I'm gonna try to put some of that on right now while that glue's on. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to wash my car, because I haven't washed it. I washed it the other day, but I mean, I did a really, really shit job. I did a shitty job. Try to use this one. This one's falling. See. So I'm gonna get that stick back on there. Yeah, look at that. It's just like, it's deteriorated. It's not even on. Oh yeah, these are done. These are donezos. Well, let me at least.
Run real soon, no cash, no loot. Dreams fall short, no time, never knew. Never no rules, nigga, never no shoes. See no feud, intake, never stop. Got no tries on the goddamn block. Niggas think big, but you still a mob car. Limited rigs, never fuck with your tongue. Hands on free as I walk through sea. Eyes on me, bitch, can't you see? Tell her that light still lasts if you need. Stack up bags to the gas for the week. Yeah. Stack up bags to the gas for the week. Yeah. Yeah. Stack up bags to the gas for the week. Yeah. 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 Bags to the gas for the week. Yeah. 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 Taking my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the point to the tight. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind.
except to say, I'm the king of the world!
Tripping on back from the legs, say something. Never tell a pack that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost to the loss, never really gon' play shit. Tell me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the play, no fake. Hands to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fans to the break when I switch all day. Stands when I prance to the damn arcade. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no key. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. Play with the game when I wanna know. Change when I say that I say it. Niggas gon' play to the way.
First gear pull for you guys? I'll try it. So hot. Fuck. Looking nice now.